Hey guys, it's your boy Mark, and boy do I have some good lots available for you coming up here in the city of South Fulton. As you can see, I mean, trees, which everybody loves to have wooded lots, right? This is a community that I've worked with this builder before, and they are terrific. They have some of the best floor plans. And my guess, my expected price point on these will probably be somewhere 4s and 5s. Maybe their largest floor plan, if there's a basement, may touch 6s eventually. But I think a majority of them are going to be in the 4s and 5s. 4 and 5 bedroom homes. Actually, there's one that actually has a 6th bedroom as well. And we're just going to drive through and talk a little bit about it. So I've been monitoring, before this was all dirt roads. So now they've got the pavement in, which is a really, really good sign, which means we're getting closer and closer to lot releases. So what they've done is they formulated a VIP list. And that's what we'd like to do for you as well as a GreatHomesATL family member. We'd like to get you in front of their preferred lender, because when you do get a chance to be on the preferred lender list, there's a better chance when the VIPs get released that you'll be able to secure one. I see this as a very, very competitive situation, which means you need representation, which is GreatHomesATL. We always represent you for free. You have the dynamic of a ton of wooded lots. As you can see, I'm at the end of a cul-de-sac right now. My guess is it's going to be a mixture of gas and electric, which is probably going to be a huge selling point. Can't 100% guarantee that, but a lot of the homes in this area are gas and electric. You have proximity. So South Fulton is one of the fastest growing areas. We've lived in it in the past ourselves, and we've seen property values go up $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 over the last, 10 years. So your opportunity to get in a fast growing area, it actually has an Atlanta address. So when you put in your address, it's going to say Atlanta, Georgia, which is pretty cool. To say, you live, even though you're formally in the city of South Fulton, you have an Atlanta address when you're giving people for your GPS and when people are coming to town. Let's say you're probably 35 to 40 minutes to downtown Atlanta, but you're also very close to like back roads. You're probably about 7 minutes to Austell, maybe 10 to 12 minutes to Mableton, 7 minutes to Douglasville, probably about 25 minutes to the airport. So you're going to be able to even go back roads if you want to go back roads to like Chattahoochee Hills, Noonan, as well, and not have to jump on the highway, which is a huge selling point for anybody that knows Atlanta. And then also just enjoy everything that Atlanta has to offer. They just built a brand new like gas station, not too far from here, probably about maybe a mile to a mile and a half. It's going to have some shops, probably like sub shops and stuff like that as well. You'll have, like I said, back roads to West Midtown as well. So you're going to have to be able to get something with a 4 or 5 and maybe even, like I said, a basement, 5s or 6s is going to be an amazing, amazing opportunity. So process, what we're going to do is, send us a DM or an email. Hey, Mark and Kurt, we want you to represent us. We saw, the community that you drove through in South Fulton. We're very, very interested in that or in any other community. What we'll do is if you come to us with a pre-approval, you just email that over to us. We will then schedule a Zoom consultation. If you don't know where to begin, or you want to definitely go through, like you're very, very interested in this community and you have a better chance going through the preferred lender, we will get you in front of the preferred lender. We will get you on the list. When lot release day happens, we will be there every step of the way. So for anybody that's not familiar, just discovering us, I'm Mark. I'm the managing broker of GreatHomesATL. Kurt is also a broker of Great Homes ATL. We're the owners of Great Homes ATL, and we also have our agents Hope and Val as well. But yeah, we're out in the streets always trying to find the best deals for you, whether it's resale or new home communities. We have definitely found a niche in a market for people that want to have not just representation, but have that hands-on family atmosphere, like realtors for life type of relationship. We will help you every step of the way. You know what you get with Great Homes ATL. You get a great free buying experience for all buyers. Our services cost nothing. And we will help you every step of the way to land, whether it's this community or any community, new or resale. And you'll be part of the Great Homes ATL family. One thing that Kurt and myself are known for is the Great Homes ATL What's in the Bag. We love being the first ones to give you your housewarming gifts to really set you up for the stage of home ownership. Anybody that, you know, has bought a house for us, they will vouch for. We are a different breed. We do things differently here, and we make sure that you have the most pleasurable experience. And whether this is your first home and you're building it up to get to your second, third, fourth dream home, investment properties, we can do that. If you're a person that has, you know, lived or rented or bought out of state and you're looking for your long-term home, you know, we do a lot with that as well. This is going to give you one of those sizes of homes, 4, 5, and 6 bedroom in this type of setting that you're not going to have to be like, oh, a year from now, 2 years from now, I want to move again. Like, you're going to have the space, you're going to have the setting. Again, this is going to be, to me, a very, very special community. And I can't wait to have you, you know, be a part of our Great Homes ATL family as well. I mean, the backdrops, the setting, the proximity to get to places throughout the area is going to be amazing. So hit us up, send us a DM with your full name, phone number, and email. We will schedule your pre-approval call. We will schedule a Zoom consultation so you can meet us, and we will have a great time watching either your brand new home being built from the ground up. You know, I do video updates when I can if I'm in the area along the way. And if it's a resale home, you know, we're amazing at negotiating and getting you into the home and location of your dreams. All right, guys, make it a great day. I'm off to another community, but this is one to definitely put on the radar. I think it's going to be very, very competitive. So make sure, please follow the process and let us know you want to work with Mark, Kurt, Val, and Hope. All right, we'll talk to you soon.